Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason One UI 8.5 is just not installing on your particular device. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one of the very first things I'd recommend kind of thinking about is to go through and just make sure that your device is properly supported within One UI 8.5 and that you have enough storage saved on your particular device. One UI 8.5 can require up to 10 to 15 gigs of free internal storage to download this update. So go through, make sure you have that much storage saved onto your device, because that can also probably end up fixing the problem for the most part for a lot of people as well. So that's another one of those things I'd recommend kind of thinking about there too. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, you might want to double check your Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that you are switching from your cellular data to hopefully a Wi-Fi connection that you can connect to, and that can also end up fixing this problem here as well. Also, ensure that your battery is charged above 50%. So keep that phone plugged into a charger and make sure that it's charged above 50%, because that's another really easy way of kind of fixing this problem here as well. So those are kind of the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.